IXL supports individualized learning programs, or IEPs, by helping teachers to closely monitor student progress with up-to-date and relevant data. In this video, we will be discussing how IXL's powerful analytics and personalization tools make it easy to set practical goals and progress monitor for every student, regardless of their learning ability. First, at the beginning of every grading cycle, pinpoint student levels using the Real-Time Diagnostic. Have students step into the diagnostic arena and answer questions until all of their levels have been pinpointed. It only takes 45 minutes to get pinpointed on a subject, and this can be split up over multiple shorter sessions if needed. Your students' diagnostic levels indicate the grade level they are at. For example, if a student has a diagnostic score of 600, they're ready to begin working on 6th grade skills. With insights from the diagnostic, IXL creates a personalized action plan for each student. Use these diagnostic action plans to set attainable goals for your students. Start by focusing IEP goals around the lowest strand or strands and the corresponding recommended skills. Have students click on their recommended skills to start practicing. Taking steps to close their gaps and make progress will help them own their learning and build confidence. Finally, monitor progress for individual students' work on specific skills using the questions log. Easily uncover any patterns or misconceptions in their work to go over with them during one-on-one instruction. And for your annual IEP review, visit the Progress and Improvement Report to visualize the growth students have made on specific IXL skills and see every skill they practice and their score progression for each. You can also use it to identify strengths and weaknesses, and along with the diagnostic action plan, set new goals for the coming school year. Want more strategies like these? Visit IXL's Teacher Resources page at ixl.com/resources.